So good morning everyone. I am Kanchan from Sage University Bhopal, and today we are going to discuss about the work breakdown structure. So what is work breakdown structure? A work breakdown structure is a visual, hierarchical and deliverable oriented deconstruction of a project. It's a helpful diagram whenever we execute any software or any project with the help of team. The levels of work breakdown structure. There are 5 levels of work breakdown structure. First one is top level, in which we are defining the project titles or final deliverables. Next one is control accounts. In this phase, we define the main project phases, which is 5 phase, and deliverables. Next one is work package. In this, we define the group of tasks that leads to the control account level. And the last one is activities. In this phase, we define the task which is needed to complete the work package. Then types of work breakdown structure. There are two types of work breakdown structure. First one is deliverable based, and next one is phase based. uh, Deliverable based work breakdown structure identify the project deliverables and its scope, while phase based work breakdown structure defines the final deliverable on the top and on the base of phases. There are 5 phases in this any project planning. First one is initialization, planning, execution, control, and closeout. There are some uncommon types of work breakdown structure are also. That is a verb oriented work breakdown structure. Second one is noun oriented work breakdown structure, and last one is time phase based work breakdown structure. Then key components of work breakdown structure. The first one is web breakdown structure dictionary, in which we define the various elements of work breakdown structure. Next one is task number and description. In this, we define the number of each task to identify them and describe about the task also. Then task owner. There are some persons for which we are going to um, assign work, or who is responsible to monitor that task. So in this, we assign the task owner. Then task dependency. In this phase, we define the dependency of modules or task. Then cost of task. In this, we define the cost of each task which will be spent on it. Then start, finish, and estimated completion of task. The next key component is when we are going to start the work and when we are going to finish the work, and the duration of to complete any project. Then task status. In last, we define the status of task. It means who is going to look about the task, or what is the progress status of task, it's completed or not, it's late or on time. This will be going to define in task status, which will be helpful for tracking any work breakdown structure in any project. Then how to create work breakdown structure. There are 5 phases which help to create work breakdown structure. First one is define the project and its goal and objective. Next one is the level of projects which is parted in phases as I defined earlier, that is initial, planning, execution, control, and close out. Then we are going to define deliverables. Then we define the breakdowns of deliverables, and last one is the task laid out. It means with whom we are going to assign that work. It's all about the work breakdown structure. Thank you.